This warm and comforting green detox soup will keep your immunity boosted and your body happy during the cold winter months. I personally love making a big pot just like this on the weekend to have and sip all throughout the week. And it's really very easy to make. So I'm gonna start by melting a heaping tablespoon of coconut oil in a nice big pot. And this could also be ghee or olive oil, so feel free to use what you have. And then once that oil is heated through, I'm gonna add in 1 chopped up onion along with a pinch of salt. That salt's just gonna help to pull some of the liquid out of the onion so it cooks a little bit faster.
And it'll go for about 5 minutes or until the onion is translucent and fragrant.
Next, I'm adding in some beautiful green veggies. So I've got 2 chopped zucchinis, 1 small bunch of kale leaves that I've stemmed and roughly chopped, and then about 4 cups of broccoli florets from a medium-sized head of broccoli. Now, all 3 of these vegetables are known to help cleanse the body and support your immune system. Then we're gonna need some liquid, so I'm adding in 4 cups of a low-sodium veggie broth along with a couple of cups of cold filtered water. Really, you just want the water to come right over all of your vegetables, and you could do all broth or all water.
The broth is gonna add a little more depth of flavor, while the water will give it a very clean, fresh flavor.
From here, I'm gonna turn my heat up and let everything come to a boil. Then I'll reduce it down to a simmer and let it go for about 10 minutes or so, or until the broccoli is nice and tender. Shut off the heat, and this is when I like to add in my garlic and my ginger. So I've got an entire head of garlic, all of the cloves have been peeled, into the pot, along with a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, and then I just pop the lid on and let that sit for a while until it's cool enough to handle. Once your soup is cool enough to work with, working in batches, you're gonna add it into the blender about 1/3 of the way to a halfway up, along with a small handful of parsley and cilantro with each batch. I also like to give this a pinch of salt for flavor. Again, keeping these greens raw and adding them in at the end gives this soup a big hit of chlorophyll, which really helps to support the body in detoxifying while supporting the immune system as well. So I'll pop my lid on and blend this up until everything comes together and it's nice and smooth and creamy. Then I'm gonna pour that out and repeat. You're just gonna do that until you've worked through all of your soup. If you wanted to eat your soup right now, you could put it all back in the pot and gently reheat it until it's warm enough to serve, or you can get it ready to store for the week. I love to pour them into mason jars. This way you have these beautiful, delicious, nutrient-dense green detox soups ready to go when you are. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this recipe, and be sure that you share it with anybody else you know who wants to make healthy eating easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers!